Good morning, traders and investors. Dale started with the Trader Boys here. Quick update on the markets. Today is May 27th, Wednesday. You have the S&P futures currently up almost 30 points here, 29 and a quarter, almost up a percent. You can see here we got a mixed markets. NASDAQ is actually down this morning. And if you look at the big names on the NASDAQ here, here's Apple, Amazon, Netflix, Microsoft, Facebook, Tesla. The only one that's actually in positive territory is Apple. Apple has moved up slightly through the course of the morning for the market open here. But you can see these big names are down. So movement of big names like these are big stocks in the market, big stocks in the S&P 500 as well as the NASDAQ. That's definitely institution. They're the only ones with enough money to be able to move those stocks. So we can see institutions are profit taking right now out of this market. So be very careful. When we have a mixed market like this with the S&P up, NASDAQ down, you see the Dow's at 338. You get the Russell 2000 up over 2% right now. This is insane. Mixed markets. Right? Rule for me: be very cautious if you're going to be day trading today. One market's moving up, the other market's moving down. It's a little state of confusion here. Kind of really for me, the best thing is the day off. And if we were to be day trading today, take the day off. Right? Mixed market, stay away. Simple. And you got oil down 75 cents. Okay, that's going to put pressure on the S&P 500 and the Dow here as the stocks align with those. And then we got gold down 1840. Right, so down 1% here. Coming down the bottom here, IBM, Goldman Sachs. Okay, these are big names on the Dow Jones Industrials. This year, the big news on Goldman Sachs here is going to be propping up the Dow Jones. So this is a stock you got to watch today if you're going to be day trading to watch it. 3.26% on the open here. Kind of craziness here. To take you in and look at a couple charts. On the S&P futures here, the purple lines are the daily supply area. So you've got a distribution area here on the daily chart. If you break this down and come down into a 1 hour time frame here, what you'll see is we've got on the 60-minute time frame here, there's little supply levels over here that are inside that daily supply. So you've got a selling pressure here, big drop away, and then selling pressure here that kind of created that big long-term downtrend. And you can see we're sitting at 30-20 right now. We're right inside this supply zone on the 60-minute time frame. That's going to make it a little bit difficult for the markets to move up this morning. Right? And if we do break through this level here, we get the next one up here at 30.54. Right? So these are definitely areas to be taking profits in, or simply staying away from the market with the mixed market. But you can get some downward pressure off this as those big names continue to sell off here. So here's a quick look at Goldman Sachs. This is a daily time frame on Goldman Sachs here. Goldman Sachs is currently trading at 202.70. So Goldman's going to open right around here somewhere, and look at that. Goldman Sachs is going to open directly up right into a level of supply here. So this is definitely something you've got to be looking out on. Gap up is usually great. Gap away, you can definitely trade that on the upside. But when you're going to open this sucker right into a area of supply, you've got to be one cautious investor right there. So Goldman's going to be opening right up into here. So just about 20 cents above where it currently is trading is a supply level here. So this could be a great opportunity to look for the short to the downside on this. Now, if Goldman starts to fall out of the supply area, that's going to bring the Dow down today. Right? So these are what you've got to be looking at is what are these stocks doing? What are the major markets doing? And stack the probabilities and the odds in your favor to understand what's going to happen, where it's going to go, and what your probabilities are. Right, that's a quick look at the markets for you this morning. Great to have you here, Trader Boys. We'll see you tomorrow.